lose track. A silent fight, they reach so high. Everblazing one love, it's the flame we carry. One love, no burden too heavy. One heart, one fire, let the light never tarry. One love, forever unwary. One love, forever unwary. One love, forever unwary. Storms may rage, but rivers don't break. They carve their path, whatever it takes. The mountain stands, no words it speaks, but in its silence, the wisdom leaks. Rise like the smoke from the burning coals. Lift your spirit, connect your soul. Everblazing one love, it's the flame we carry. One love, no burden too heavy. One heart, one fire, let the light never tarry. One love, forever unwavering. One love, forever unwearying. One love, forever unwearying. If life's a tree, let love be the root. If truth is a drum, let us play it true. If hope is a song, then we'll sing it loud. No chain can bind, no fear allowed. One love, one love. One love, one love. The earth speaks soft through the morning dew. Roots dig deep where the light breaks through. In the soil of life, every seed's a clue. A farmer's hands, calloused and true. The sun bows low, the moon takes her stand. A cycle eternal, guided by no man. Oh Jah, hear the Ganja farmer's prayer. Give us strength, give us strength, give us care, give us care. Through the storm, through despair, let the harvest grow pure and rare. Rain falls down like blessings from above. Each drop a lesson, each cloud a dove. In the field of struggle, we sow with love. Hope in Jah's wisdom fits us like a glove. The wind it whispers, the leaves they dance. A hymn of hope, a second chance. Oh Jah, hear the Ganja farmer's prayer. Give us strength, give us strength, give us care, give us care. Through the bends and turns in secret ways. Roots dig deep, they never stray. The earth will hold you when you sway. Dub it again, let the sound rewind. Truths unravel one beat at a time. Feel the rhythm align. Life is a circle and the bassline's divine. Dub it again, and the bassline's divine. Oh, mountains rise but crumble too. The wind will sing what it once knew. Chains can break, the spirit's free. Your soul's a flame, an endless sea. Breathe in the moment, let it grow. The future's planted where you sow. Dub it again, let the sound rewind. Truths unravel one beat at a time. Feel the rhythm align. Life is a circle and the bassline's divine. Dub it again, and the bassline's divine. Hey, every echo, a voice of the past. Every drop, a wisdom that lasts. Hold the present, let it shine. The beat is yours, the world's design. The world's design. Whoa, concrete jungle dreams, sun long gone it seems. Whispers in the night, shadows take their flight. Old ways fading fast. Will this feeling last? Oh, the drum of the ancestors beats, a rhythm deep within my soul it meets, calling out my name through the fire and the flame. Drum of the ancestors calls me home. Never walk this weary world alone. Fantastic smile so bright, lose my sacred light, pushing to the top. When will the madness stop? Got to find my way, see a brand new day. Oh, the drum of the ancestors beats, a rhythm deep within my soul it meets, calling out my name through sacred